Hello and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you the best eyebrow products for perfect brows. Have you ever struggled with making your eyebrows look even? Don't worry, you're not alone. In fact, studies have shown that 85% of women struggle with eyebrow grooming. But not to worry, because with the right tools and products, you can achieve the brows of your dreams. First up, we have brow pencils. These are great for filling in sparse areas and creating a defined shape. I recommend the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz or the Benefit Cosmetics Precisely, My Brow Pencil. Next, we have brow gels. These are perfect for keeping your brows in place and adding volume. The Glossier Boy Brow and Benefit Cosmetics Gimme Brow are both great options. If you're looking for something longer lasting, you can't go wrong with brow pomades. These waterproof and smudge-proof products are perfect for those with oily skin or for those who want their brows to stay put all day long. I recommend the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade or the Maybelline New York Tattoo Studio Brow Pomade. Finally, we have brow powders. These are great for achieving a softer, more natural look. The NYX Professional Makeup Eyebrow Cake Powder and the Benefit Cosmetics Brow Zings are both great options. When choosing a brow product, it's important to consider your skin tone and the shade of your natural eyebrows. You want to choose a product that matches your natural color and complements your skin tone. And there you have it, the best eyebrow products for perfect brows. Remember, eyebrows are the frame to your face, so it's important to give them the attention they deserve. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe to my channel. With my free daily videos, you'll never miss out on any beauty tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.